In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a members area in Wix. The first step you'll want to take is to add the members area app. To do this, ensure you have your site editor open, then proceed to click on Add Apps, which is located on the left side menu of your screen. Here's a tip. To find the members area app quickly, you can use the search bar and simply type in members area. Once you've located the Wix members area app from the results, all you need to do is click Add to Site and voila, the app is added. With the members area app duly installed, you will notice that Wix automatically adds new additional pages to your site, such as a member area page, sign up, and log in, which will help you in setting up your members area. To easily locate these pages, just head over to the Pages and Menus section of your site's dashboard. Now that we have all these new pages, it's time to customize them. Start by clicking on the member page element, which will be your primary tool to customize its layout and the elements that appear on it, such as the member card and menu. Customizing your layout couldn't be easier. Simply go to the member page, select the element you want to change, and hit Change Layout. You'll have numerous design styles to choose from, such as full width or cards, so experiment with them until you find one that suits your site's aesthetic. As for the elements, click the Elements icon while still on the member page. This allows you to show or hide various elements such as the member card and member menu to tailor your members area to your liking. For an even more personalized touch, customize your member menu. This feature enables you to decide which tabs will appear on the menu and also allows you to change the layout and design. Feel free to shuffle things around to make site navigation for your members a breeze. Lastly, you will want to manage your pages and permissions. Utilize the Pages and Menus section to rename any pages, and make use of the Permissions tab in the page settings to restrict access. The latter can be especially useful if you want to make certain pages accessible to specific members or pricing plans. And that's it. Building a members area within Wix is simple when you know how and allows for greater interaction and intimacy with your users. I hope this tutorial has been useful in helping you design and customize your Wix members area, ensuring your site continues to grow and thrive. Happy building!